We cut 1/3 of the bush, and then in winter time it starts growing again, and next season it's that height already.
Okay.
You can also see that the rooibos is ripe because it's red to the tip of the stem. Grows like this in the field. They cut off 1/3 of the bush and they make it bundles like that, and just to keep the bundles together we're using these white poly bags, and then they roll it open and we put it through the machines. You can also see it's already start changing color, so the oxidation process already has started. So then we put it out in the rows already to prepare it this afternoon for fermentation. No water is added yet, but the oxidation process has already started, and you can feel there's a temperature inside already. So this tea was spread out on Saturday morning, and we're going to pick it up now and store it. Normally during the week in production, we cut today, we ferment overnight, tomorrow morning we spread, tomorrow afternoon we pick up.